What's going on, YouTube? Jeff coming at you. Don't mind the greasy mustache, just got a little bet going on at work. But besides that, have you ever wondered how to repair rusty quarters at a car that you can't get quarter panel replacement for the cheap way and the wrong way? Well, all you got to do is go to the scrapyard, get a couple of extra fenders, start hacking them up into pieces. Now, it's going to start off, it's going to be really bad because you're working with your $100 flux core welder, which is probably the wrong welder for the application. When I say probably, I mean absolutely. And you just start cutting and tacking things in. So here's a majority of the radius of the fender, and just start attacking all along here. And you're going to burn through about 10,000 million times, but that's all right because you're determined. You're going to keep going. Man, that mustache is greasy. Anyways, back to the car. So, yep, you're going to attack everything, and you're going to grind, and you're going to attack, and you're going to grind until it's solid. Doesn't have to be perfect because, well, you drive drunk. And then you're going to start fabbing up whatever is left of the pieces. And you can see, oh, no, well, that pie piece wasn't able to make it, and neither was that piece. Don't mind that. I got hit during the winter time, and I actually had to cut a slice to actually pop it out because it was so concaved in. Now we got a big gap right there. But after that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna apply some fiberglass with the resin. That's gonna go after our little stitch welding there, and then after that will be just the regular fiberglass reinforced Bondo, and followed by just the regular body filler and stuff. So all in all, I bought the fenders for 40 bucks. This stuff is all left over from Project Fox Body and the welder I bought, and I've already done so many other things. So we're gonna call it 40 bucks for the fenders. I've already done the other side. I did it a while ago. Haven't finished bondoing it yet, but there we go. Actually, let me just swap the... So this, once that's all bolted up and stuff, don't mind the paint runs and stuff, but you know, it's a good 30 footer and stuff. And you remember, that was all rotted right there. So yeah, I just quickly sprayed this black on there because I knew that the primer I had over top wasn't going to be really water resistant on the patch repair. This doesn't really matter right here because there is paint underneath it. But yeah, here, same thing. Whole bunch of weld inside there. Is this door open? Yeah. Same thing down here. So this is just the roughed in area. I still have to block sand and do probably another coat or two of filler and block sand and stuff. So don't think that this is the finished piece, but if you remember before, like, this was all gone. That was all rot, nothing there. So lines are pretty good for the majority of it. And yeah, essentially that is what it looked like after I started hacking everything out and stuff. So it just goes to show you that you don't have to have all the money in the world to fix things. This car is sort of sentimental to me and my kids. I could have any car I wanted, but I just choose to play with this thing and stuff. I've been saving up for a house and stuff, and in the grand scheme of things, I just enjoy working on the car. It's not about what car it is or what the car can do. I just enjoy doing things to the car, and this just keeps me busy and occupied and stuff. And yeah, that's basically it. I'm just going to keep on pushing through, but it just goes to show you, you know, you can go to the wreckers. If you can't find quarter panel replacements for your car, most of the time, the front radius is the same as the back radius. The only thing is, if you're doing fenders, you got to swap sides. So this fender would be the patch panel for the back corner, and that would be that patch panel. You just gotta swap them around and stuff, but there you go. Seatbelt, hopefully the door still closes. There we go. This side's starting to come back together now. And stay tuned because, yeah, when I got hit in the wintertime, I got hit by a body shop driver, and they gave me enough epoxy primer, sealer, base, and clear to paint the whole thing. So, budget paint job coming up next. Hope this video finds you well. Like, share, subscribe. Talk to you guys soon.